Dear children, here we are going to solve one more objective, that's a 92. Which of the following plant contains dumbbell shaped god cells? You know that in this object they asked which of the following plant contains dumbbell shaped god cells. You know the god cells are present in the stomata, they are useful for the transpiration. So here you learn in that 11th standard dumbbell shaped god cells are present in the dicot or monocot. Here is the main thing is the these present in the monocot. Okay, dumbbell shape present in the monocot. So here that bean shaped found in the dicot. Now here option 1 they have given as a mango, and option 2 they given as a wheat and gram, and moreover last one potato. So our task is have to find out which are the plants belongs to the given examples of the monocot and dicot. For us required, what is required, right? Here is the only requirement for us. Answer is the dumbbell shaped means monocot have to find. Mango is the dicot, gram is the dicot, potato is dicot. So we know the knowledge of dumbbell shaped god cells present in the monocots. That's the reason the among four options wheat is the monocot. That's the reason answer for this question is the wheat is the monocot. Mango dicot, gram dicot, and moreover the potato also dicot.